In this demo, I'd like to show you another new feature in Lightwave 8 that comes in real handy. For starters, I'm going to go ahead and draw a box out, just a basic little rectangle. We're going to call this our arm, just a temp arm object. And I'm going to just add a little more detail. I'm just using the knife tool here. Add a few more segments to our arm. Okay, so there's our arm. And what I'd like to do now is go ahead and draw a couple skelegons in our arm object that will later be taken over to layout and turned into bones. But for this demo, we're just going to create the skelegons. So I'm just drawing them out like so. Okay, and at this point, what I could do is using the new Rotate Skelegons tool, I can, let me back off a little bit, and I can select a bone and test the bone. Here's my pitch. Okay. Here's my heading. And then, of course, my bank. Okay. I'm going to undo that. And if I want it to deform the object, well, I would use weight maps. And that's the main reason that I would go about using Rotate Skelegons, is to be able to test my weight maps in Modeler, where, of course, I create my weight maps. So let me go ahead and select some geometry, and with the W selected for weight, I'm going to select New and give it a name. Okay, and deselect, and I'm going to go ahead and select this geometry and give it a weight map as well. Okay, so New. And of course I can go into my weight shade mode and see the weight map that I've just applied. So if I want to test my weight map, I can go ahead and go back to Rotate Skelegons, and I can test it. Well, this is very similar to Vertex Paint, but one of the nice things about Rotate Skelegons is I can turn subpatches on and adjust, see the weight maps being affected with the bones using that. I also have some other options in the Rotate Skelegons panel for adjusting the bank handle and the heading, pitch, and bank. I can test it here. So there's a quick overview of using Rotate Skelegons, one of the new exciting features in Lightwave 8, and stay tuned for more demos.